Hey friends, a lot of users are asking how they can enable Miracast on Windows 11. See, there's nothing like enabling Miracast. There's an option called wireless display that has to be activated as an optional features on Windows, and then you can connect Miracast. So to enable that option, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, scroll down and select optional features. Okay, now you can click on view features and then search for wireless. If it exists, it means it already exists. For the sake of this example, I will remove it and we will wait till it is removed so that I can show you that if it did not exist on your system, how could you add it? Okay, now it does not exist on the system. So we will click on see available features. Then we will type wireless and then select display and then select add. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.